Okay, so it says Gabby takes an 8-minute break after every 32 minutes of study. Nick takes a 5-minute break after 45 minutes of study. Are their ratios of study time to break time equivalent? So they're asking you, are these two equal to each other? Are their times equal to each other? So remember, when you're trying to determine if a ratio is equivalent to another ratio, all you're simply doing is setting up your butterfly method. So you do 8 to 32 is your first ratio. We wrote it as a fraction. And then you have 5 to 45 as your next one, as your next ratio. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to do 8 times 45. So you're going to do 8 times 45, and 8 times 45 equals 360. So you would have 360 here. Then you're going to do 32 times 5, and you're going to get an answer. When you get that answer, once you get that answer, if they equal the same, you would type yes, or you're going to type no. Whichever answer you get here, if it's the same, you type yes. If it's not the same, you're going to type no.